everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing all well. Today I'm going to unbox some of the Chanel perfume product with you. So let's get started. So first let me just open this gift. This was a gift with the purchase when you buy perfume product from Chanel Beauty. So let's open it up. It has 3 mini perfumes as you can see. This is a Gabrielle essence in this miniature bottle and 2 extra mini bottles. This is number 5 and this is a Coco Mademoiselle. They are so cute and lovely. I love them so much. And here is the actual item what I got. This is a Chanel number 5 hair mist. So let me just open it up. It looks like this. I love this small bottle. This is another perfume. This is a hair mist. And it smells same as Chanel number 5 perfume if you are familiar with it. It is so cute and easy to carry on. You can spray it onto your hair, or you can spray it to your hairbrush or comb and brush your hair using that. I like that way. And next item is here. This is also a hair mist. It's a Gabrielle Chanel. It's in this lovely small Gabrielle glass bottle. Smells the same as the perfume as well. I love this Gabrielle perfume in general and love to have this hair mist as well. These are very convenient to carry on your handbag instead of big heavy bottles. You can carry them around and spray it as you wish. They have the same scan as perfume, so you can give it a try first before you get the big bottle with a less price. I love them and I have a long hair just in case if you are wondering. So these are the must-have items for me. And next items are for boy. I got these for my husband. He loves to use the small perfume bottle, so I got the Bleu de Chanel. This travel size with the 2 lip fillers comes together. So I'm not gonna open it up because this is going to be a gift for husband. And I got this lip fill only. It has 3 extra lip fills, I believe. So this one has a case together and this one is on lip fills only. Also I got the same scan in this deodorant spray. So he will get all 3 of them. They are going to be a good gift option for your husband or your dad or brothers. And last item is in this heavy box. It's very heavy. So let's open it up. And it has a black sticker. With the tissue papers. So as you can see, this is a soup. It has a number 5 logo engraved in this beautiful powder pink. You will get total 5 soaps from this set. Very simple design, but it's so pretty. And it says Chanel Paris made in France. As you can see, each soaps are wrapped in this plastic paper with the stickers on it. And you can smell their number 5 perfume immediately when you open it up. I love this smell so much. This set is the limited edition, so if you want it, just go for get it now. I think it's a great gift option for your mom or friends as well. Okay, so I think it will be good if I show you how I am going to use this soap. So let me just remove this sticker and this plastic vinyl. So when you remove this plastic vinyl from the soap, it has CC Chanel logo in here, and the other side has a number 5. So you can simply use it as a hand soap and put it into your powder room or bathroom. Or you can enjoy it as a body soap when you take a shower in your shower booth. So it's definitely not a bath bomb. Some of you guys are just message me from the Instagram to asking about that, and when I try it, it's not going to be a good bath bomb. But as a soap, it's no problem. I like it. I like the smell of it. It gives you a luxurious moment when you take your shower or just wash your hands. I hope you have a better idea how you are going to use this one. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Chloe Dia Collection, same name as this YouTube channel. I am very activated on Instagram, so you can enjoy more luxury beauty and fashion contents from that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!